Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We will be comparing two mini drones with cameras, the DEERC D20 Mini Drone and the RADCLO Mini Drone with camera. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive right in. Let's start with the DEERC D20 Mini Drone. Priced at $69, this drone comes equipped with a 720p HD Wi-Fi camera that allows you to take stunning aerial photos and videos. With FPV transmission, you can even see the live video feed on your smartphone. It's perfect for capturing those breathtaking moments. The D20 Mini Drone is not just for adults, it's also a fantastic drone toy for kids. It has a one-key start landing button, making it incredibly easy to fly. The altitude hold feature ensures a stable flight, allowing you to capture high-quality footage effortlessly. Safety is a top priority with the D20. It features low power alarm, emergency stop, and 4 propeller guards to ensure a safe flight. Plus, with its 2 rechargeable and powerful batteries, you can enjoy up to 20 minutes of flight time. It's perfect for longer flying sessions. The D20 Mini Drone also offers some fun features. You can perform 3D flips by pushing the control sticks inwards. Additionally, you can draw a flight course on your smartphone and the drone will follow it. And if that's not enough, you can even control the drone with simple voice commands or take a gesture selfie. How cool is that? Now, let's move on to the RADCLO Mini Drone with camera. Priced at $65, this drone is equipped with a 1080p HD 90 degrees manually adjustable lens. It provides a wider field of view, allowing you to capture breathtaking moments from a bird's-eye perspective. The RADCLO Mini Drone is incredibly easy to use thanks to its stable altitude hold function. With just one click on the takeoff landing button, you can start flying. The drone's powerful engine and stable hover technology ensure a smooth and controlled flight experience. This drone also comes with a larger body size, which means it can accommodate a larger battery. With the included 2PC's 800 mAh batteries, you can enjoy up to 22 minutes of flight time. Plus, it comes with a carrying case for convenient outdoor travel. The RADCLO Mini Drone offers a range of functions to fit your needs. It has high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, headless mode, and even a 3D flip feature. Whether you're a beginner or a skilled player, this drone has something for everyone. Based on online reviews, the DEERC D20 Mini Drone is praised for its stunning camera and easy-to-use features, making it perfect for both adults and kids. However, some reviewers mentioned issues with the app and connection stability. On the other hand, the RADCLO Mini Drone offers a wider field of view and a longer flight time, making it suitable for capturing breathtaking moments and outdoor adventures. Reviewers appreciate its smooth flight experience and versatile functions. However, a few reviewers mentioned the need for better after-sales support. Both the DEERC D20 Mini Drone and the RADCLO Mini Drone with camera offer fantastic features at competitive prices. The D20 is great for kids and offers cool functions like voice control and gesture selfies. On the other hand, the RADCLO provides a wider field of view and comes with a larger battery. It's up to you to decide which drone suits your needs better. Let us know in the comments which one you prefer or if you have any other products you'd like us to compare. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Thanks for watching Buy Smart. See you in the next video.